Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about this gadget. It's the network cable tester. This gadget allows you to test this Ethernet cable if it's good or not, or faulty, by testing the continuity of each wire from this end to this end, by testing the continuity of the pins from here to the end. I don't know, this is the RG45 and there's also RG11, which if you could see here, which is you can see here, this gadget we can split it in two parts like this. This is the remote and this is the master. Also, if you can see here, it's powered by a battery. It's 9-volt battery. Also, it's got off, this button here, off, on, slow, and the LED. Okay. So now I'm gonna go through this application and show you how this works. First thing I need to do is get in the cable, the Ethernet cable. This is RG45. That means you see here there's two ports, a big one and a small one. The big one is for RG45 and the small one is for RG11. So I'm going to use this one. I need to plug it on the big one like this. So the other end, it needs to be plugged on the big, in the big port here on the remote like this. So now I need to switch it on, to turn it on like this. So here, as you can see, our cable's got 8 pins from this side and 8 from the other side. Put it back, and as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the ground. So each pin here corresponds to the one on the remote here. 1 to 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, and when you see it like this, we're gonna turn it on. As you can see now, it is going through all the every single number. So 1 is lit, 1 here is lit, and the same to for each number till we get to 8. That means we've got good continuity between these pins and these. So as you can see here, our cable is perfect. The continuity between this side and the other end, it is really good. What I'm gonna do now to show you something else, I'm gonna remove this cable and I'm gonna cut this wire, one of these wires, and I'm gonna test it again and show you. I'm gonna cut the brown one like this. So now I need to plug it like this. I'm gonna see which one is not good anymore. So as you can see here, it's number 8. We just cut number 8 because it's not lit. It's not lit. Also, you can use this device, you know, to test your phone line RG11 by putting it in this end here and this end here. So that's it for today. I think this is useful gadget. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and press like. Till my next video, take care. Thank you very much for watching.